just upgraded to Windows 11 and need Google Chrome? You're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through the full step-by-step guide to downloading and installing Chrome safely and easily so you can start browsing the web faster in no time. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Click on the Windows Start icon at the bottom, and then click on Microsoft Edge, which is the default web browser for Windows. On your web browser, type in Google Chrome. Here you can tap on Download Google Chrome for your Windows. Once the download has completed, it will automatically install it onto your computer. Once the installation has been completed, you can add your own Chrome profile by signing in to your Google account. Once you have signed in, Google Chrome will prompt you if you want to turn on sync, which means that you can back up your stuff and use it on any device as long as you sign in to the same Google profile. If you just want to keep this Google profile on this computer, click on No Thanks. Once you have finished customizing the Google Chrome settings, you're all set to go. I hope today's video was easy to understand, and if you like more of such videos, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye bye.